In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to a meeting in Zoom. Now, you can do this on both the Zoom app and also the web browser as well. So first thing we're going to do is just start by creating a new meeting. And then you need to go and press the start button at the bottom of this page. Now, once your meeting's open, you need to click on participants in the bottom navigation and then click on the invite button at the bottom of this page. Now, there's two different ways to invite someone to your Zoom meeting. You can either just press the copy invite link button and you can go and share this directly to whoever you want to invite to the meeting. You can also click on email and you can go and invite someone directly using email. So go and select your email provider from the list, and that should automatically redirect you to your email client. You can then just type in the email address of the person that you want to invite. Once you've added them to the email, you can go and press send, and it will send them a link to your meeting with all the necessary information. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.